So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to install Blender in Windows 11. But before beginning the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. First of all, open Chrome browser in your PC and search for install Blender. Here in the top you can see downloadblender.org. Click on it and click on download Blender. Your download will start automatically. Here you can see, choose the location you want to download and click on save. If your download doesn't start it automatically, then simply click on download manually, then it will download manually. Here you can see it has started downloading. If you want, you can also donate some money to Blender. So let's wait till the time the Blender has been installed. Here you can see it has been installed almost. Click on it after it's installed. Here you can see, click on next. Choose the place you want to download and click on install. Here you can see installing Blender. Wait for some time. It will take some time to completely install in your PC. And click on finish. There you go. Blender is installed in Windows 11. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.